Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and it doesn't really matter if we will be on the video or the photo mode. What is more, I hope that you can see this golden spiral I've applied before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the golden spiral should disappear. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, which are in the right upper corner, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on it and confirm it just by tapping on this option again. And as you can see, basically nothing happened. We are still on the settings, but after getting back to the camera, we can see that the golden spiral immediately disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings and customizations. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.